Namaste. In this video, we are going to find x value. Here given 2 upon 3 to the power x plus 3 upon 2 to the power x is equal to 13 upon 6. So 2 upon 3 to the power x. Here this one we can write 1 upon 2 upon 3 to the power x. Okay, because here 3 upon 2. So when we write in reciprocal form like this. And this is 13 upon 6. So now this one value and this one value same. Now here put 2 upon 3 to the power x is equal to any variable like t. Now equation will be t plus 1 upon t is equal to 13 upon 6. Whole equation we can multiply by 6t, okay, because here LCM is 6t. So 6t square plus 6 is equal to 13t. 6t square minus 13t plus 6 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation and we can use here splitting the middle term. So product is 6 times 6 36 and sum is minus 13. So product is 36 and sum is minus 13. So we have to find out two numbers, which product is 36 and sum is minus 13. So minus 9 times minus 4 is 36 and minus 9 minus 4 is minus 13. First term write as it is, last term write as it is equal to 0. Just split middle term minus 13t. So we can write minus 9t minus 4t. Minus 4t. Now here 4 terms. From first two terms we can take common 3t. So this is 2t minus 3. And from here last two terms we can take common negative and 2. So this is 2t minus 3 is equal to 0. Here two terms and bracket portion is same, so we can take common. Okay, here left 3t and here left minus 2. Okay, now 3t minus 2 is equal to 0 or 2t minus 3 is equal to 0. So t value is 2 upon 3 and here t value is 3 upon 2. Okay, and t value is 2 upon 3 to the power x. 2 upon 3 to the power x. 2 upon 3 to the power x is equal to 3 upon 2. Okay, so here base are same, 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3. Here x power and here nothing, it means 1 power. So x is equal to 1. Okay, and here 2 upon 3, but here 3 upon 2. So we can take reciprocal and write like this, to the power minus 1. Okay, 3 upon 2 we can write 2 upon 3 to the power minus 1. So what is x value? Minus 1. Okay, so we get answer 1 or sorry, here minus 1. Okay, so 1 and minus 1. So this is very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.